I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Kodak Dock Era and getting the essentials ready. This saves time later. Charge fully or keep it plugged in, then open the paper compartment and insert the photo pack, lining it up with the guides so prints feed straight. Once done, install the Kodak mobile app on your phone and enable Bluetooth. Pair to the printer using the on-screen prompt. Make sure the app confirms connection before moving on. A stable link prevents failed prints. With connection established, you pick the photo and prepare it precisely. Cropping to 3, 2 or 1:1 ensures composition matches paper. Make adjustments, increase brightness if faces are dark, tweak color temperature for accurate skin tones, or use a filter for mood. These edits change how the dye sublimation layers lay down. Once you set quantity and layout, confirm the paper type in settings so the printer uses correct profiles. Then tap Print and watch the app show progress and estimated time. After printing, let the Kodak Dock Era finish and cool briefly. This prevents smudging and ensures layers settle. Remove prints using the edge slot and trim with a straight edge if needed. Store unused paper back in its protective pouch to avoid moisture or dust. If you see a jam, streaks, or faded colors, stop immediately. Power off, open the paper tray, receipt, or replace the pack, then power on and reprint a single test image. If problems persist, check app firmware updates and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.